The Legend of the Hummingbird, a Taino legend. Long ago, far up in the hills, there was once a small pool fed by a waterfall that tumbled down the side of the mountain. It was the favorite place of Alida, the daughter of a great and powerful Indian chief. One day, when Alida came to the pool to rest after a long walk, she was startled by a stranger. He was a young Indian, not from her tribe, who was picking fruit from the trees. He told her about himself to make her feel at home. He was a member of an enemy tribe who had been left behind after an attack and had lived in the forest by the pool ever since. Alida and Taro became good friends. They would meet often at the pool. Their meetings were always brief so that no one would discover their secret friendship. In spite of Alida's precautions, there came a day when someone saw them and told her father. Alida was forbidden to return to the pool, and her father decided to arrange a wedding to a man of his own choosing in order to put an end to Alida and Taro's romance. Alida was grief-stricken and prayed to her God for help. "Do not let me marry this man whom I do not love." The god took pity on her and changed her into a beautiful red flower. Meanwhile, Taro, knowing nothing of Alida's sadness, still waited for her by the pool, but she never arrived. One night, the moon took pity on him and called out, "Do not wait for Alida. Your secret has been found out." And to avoid marrying another man, she cried out to the gods for help and was changed into a delicate red flower. "Help me to find Alida," Taru cried out. The gods took pity on him also and changed him into a small multicolored bird, saying, "Fly, Colibri, find your love among the flowers." His wings made a humming sound as he rapidly flew away. In the morning, the Indians saw the new bird darting among the flowers as swift as an arrow and as bright as a jewel. They heard the humming of his wings and saw him hovering over every flower he passed and kissing the petals. They liked the bird with the music in his wings and called it a hummingbird. Ever since then, the little bird has hovered over every flower he finds, but he returns most often to the red ones. Still looking for Alida, he has not found her yet. The end.